Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of watermelon. Watermelon, nature's sweet summer treat. Watermelon. Is there anything more refreshing on a scorching summer day? This juicy fruit, with its vibrant red flesh and delightful sweetness, has been a beloved treat for centuries. But watermelon is much more than just a delicious snack. It's a nutritional powerhouse packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that offer a wide range of health benefits. Originating in Africa, watermelon has spread its deliciousness throughout the world. From picnics to barbecues, watermelon has become synonymous with summertime fun and refreshment. But don't let its simple exterior fool you. This humble fruit is a nutritional superstar in disguise. Get ready to discover the incredible health benefits of watermelon and learn why it deserves a prime spot in your diet. Let's dive in. Hydration hero, quenching thirst and boosting health. Did you know that watermelon is about 92% water? That's right, this juicy fruit is like nature's own sports drink, providing ultimate hydration on hot days or after a strenuous workout. Staying properly hydrated is essential for overall health. Water is crucial for regulating body temperature, transporting nutrients, flushing out waste products, and keeping our organs functioning properly. Dehydration can lead to fatigue, headaches, dizziness, and even more serious health problems. That's where watermelon comes to the rescue. Its high water content helps replenish fluids and electrolytes lost through sweat, making it an excellent choice for staying hydrated and feeling your best. A nutrient powerhouse. Vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Watermelon is not only incredibly hydrating, but also a treasure trove of essential nutrients. It's an excellent source of vitamins A and C, both powerful antioxidants that protect our cells from damage caused by free radicals. Vitamin C is vital for a healthy immune system, collagen production, and wound healing. Watermelon is also a good source of potassium, an electrolyte that plays a crucial role in maintaining fluid balance, regulating blood pressure, and supporting muscle function. Additionally, watermelon contains lycopene, a potent antioxidant that gives watermelon its vibrant red color. Lycopene has been linked to a reduced risk of chronic diseases such as heart disease, certain types of cancer, and age-related macular degeneration. With its impressive nutrient profile, watermelon is a delicious and easy way to boost your intake of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Section 4. Surprising benefits. From heart health to muscle recovery. Beyond its impressive nutrient content, watermelon offers a range of surprising health benefits. Studies have shown that consuming watermelon regularly may help improve heart health by lowering blood pressure, reducing bad cholesterol levels, and improving blood flow. The lycopene in watermelon has also been linked to a reduced risk of certain types of cancer, including prostate, lung, and stomach cancer. Additionally, watermelon contains citrulline, an amino acid that converts to arginine in the body. Arginine is involved in nitric oxide production, which helps relax blood vessels and improve blood circulation. This can benefit people with erectile dysfunction and may even enhance athletic performance by improving blood flow to muscles. Watermelon's anti-inflammatory properties may also help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery after exercise. Section 5. Beyond the flesh. The power of watermelon rind. While most of us are familiar with the juicy red flesh of watermelon, did you know that the rind is edible and surprisingly nutritious too? Watermelon rind is a good source of citrulline, even more so than the flesh. Citrulline, as we learned earlier, is converted to arginine in the body, supporting nitric oxide production and promoting cardiovascular health. Watermelon rind is also a good source of fiber, which is essential for digestive health, weight management, and blood sugar control. You can enjoy watermelon rind in various ways, such as pickling it, adding it to smoothies, or even stir-frying it. Don't let this nutrient-rich part of the watermelon go to waste. Section 6. The ultimate summer indulgence. Enjoy watermelon today. Watermelon is a refreshingly delicious and incredibly nutritious fruit that offers a wide range of health benefits. From its exceptional hydration properties to its impressive vitamin, mineral, and antioxidant content, watermelon is a true gift from nature. Whether you enjoy it sliced, diced, juiced, or even pickled, make sure to incorporate this superfruit into your diet regularly. So, next time you're looking for a healthy and refreshing treat, reach for a juicy slice of watermelon and savor all the amazing benefits it has to offer. Your body will thank you. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Don't forget to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in the next video.